Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Wealthsimple how to find account number. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To find your Wealthsimple account number, it depends on the type of account you have. So what you can do is head over and open up your Wealthsimple app and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Now on tapping it, you'll be sent to your profile page. Now there, what you need to do is tap on the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen, and now once you're inside your settings, you'll be provided with bunch of options, and among them what you need to do is select accounts. And now once you select accounts, you'll see your account number, transaction number and institution number for direct deposit or other transfers. Wealthsimple Trade does not use a traditional account number for transferring money. Instead, you link a bank account to transfer funds. You can find your Wealthsimple Trade account number by contacting their support and checking your transaction history to any reference to your account as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.